this video, I'll walk you through how to create a matter plan task. Click on Clients, Clients and Matters. Click on the matter name. Click on the Matter Plan tab. And click on New Plan Task. Specify a name to clearly identify the project task. For phase, if you've created a phase for the matter plan, you can select it from here. The description to describe what the matter plan task is. And then we have the start date, when the project task starts, of course, and when it's due. You can enter in a duration in days for the due date instead. And then if this task is dependent on another task being completed first, you can choose that dependency over here. And then we have the default task code. So if you select one of these, this means it will auto-populate in the time entry forms when the project task is selected to enter time entry against. You will be given the option to force this task code, which means the user entering time for this project task will not be able to change the autofill default task code when making those entries. Here you can see there's the force checkbox. And then again, the same applies for a default subtask code. Again, we have the force checkbox and the default expense code. Again, the same rules apply for that. Now, if you wanted to edit the task code, you would have to click on the name of the task code, and that will open up the details of it. And you could also click on the Budgets and Actuals tab to apply a budget to the task, and any time and expense entries can be entered from under the task edit screen itself.